Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. You see it? Yes, I. And all things that's good. See? Welcome all viewers and subscribers. You see it? And remember to subscribe, man. Share, like, and subscribe. And let's grow the thing, you know, to the desired position. Yeah. To them want to reach out to the Tivoli. 3 man them will just come out of prison in the Tivoli. You know, see it? It's a little history lesson still because I want to see if we can kill the animosity. What go on down the family war. What go on down the way no family go on like you don't realize. You know, see it? So, more reason with LIVETY. Seeing particularly because to a lot of people out here who have sense, it appear like you play some Uncle Scar role. You know, Uncle Scar in a The Lion King, you know? And Simba, which is TITTY man. You know? I get led away. I saw it appear you, I say, I saw. You know, see it. I just make you know how things look out here. You know, see it? Because look here now. You have to remember, say, badness thing and a royalty, you know. See? And badness thing and a leadership thing and a who are the wickedest man. Leader, run things, you know. And so it go. And the man who organize things the most and maintain a certain level of stability in the better interests of the wider community where under him leadership. You know, see? Alright now. You have to bear in mind, say, it's for the greater good, which is the wider part of the community, more time and have to make certain compromise, allow certain things, and don't push certain agenda and go on like, so well then, you know, it's a one-way street. See? Because of the greater good why you even in the position of authority why you in today. You know, see? If you look back, if you check back history, if you go sit down with some man and reason with them, some old man where you know them, you know, call a name. You know some old man around there right now. Where you know the thing, even before your father come off of the country truck. You put it that way there. Market your father come and just love the thing we are going on in the garden. And you know they start hang out. Not even garden. Chacamo land up a back of west, same place up with Spartan and target you know. You know, see it, and that's a old man start. That's him gain him recognition with them big structure, bouncer type features around Chacamo land and say I need that. You know, see it? You know, see it? But the movement wasn't according to your father's principle, really. You know, see it? Because you have to remember someone like Zaki the high priest them, buy a car them, mass up them, even though mass up switch get weak. Same way at the end with the father, which is another long story, I will tell you about that. You have to remember say them other rest of man there from before Tivoli Garden even build up. You know, see it. You have to remember say man like Penko could have look for mass up where your father could have never talked to no day. Penko could have look for mass up and tell mass up say him run the place and him. You know, see it. Penko could have remember Penko did have him big old rusted, big old chromas where him call the John shop. You know, see it, why the man them at them little barrel things 6 shooter them round there enough up with and I go out themselves. You know, see it, still no whole heap of disrespect of such. You know, see it. And if you check the another history again, if you observe the lifespan of the Dan them where come and run Tivoli Garden none of them no last as long as DUDUS. You know see, but we are gonna reach out to that later again. You know see, we are gonna further expound on that. You know see, you have to remember say all of them man seeing was basically royalty. And if you now look on it like say a royalty run things, them man the youth we are foundation, them man we are foundation, them youth, them and them family and offspring still about the same way. See, that not delegitimize from the position, you know. Me just I explain the nature of how leadership and them thing they work. You know, see, you have to take into consideration a host of things in order to maintain peace and tranquility. You know, see, that is what ensure good leadership. Chaos is lazy leadership. You know, see, all right. You have to remember, say, that even Jim Brown did get compromised. You know, see, that is another story. See? So when him drop out, that's why he doesn't say that say no I not with him father. Friend them father, friend them a film friend them a film friend them a film friend. See? Because he never trust the atmosphere surrounding the whole thing. No say him father just pass. Him no say a whole heap of man dead where you know me I say at them basically a feed them position. Enough man there with claim to the throne. Proper opposition. See? So DUDUS did more than go for a younger sort of variety of youths. Some little young youth around him. You know see it and I try to avoid the big man them and for them thing because I know so the big man them. Him would have to go, him can't go hold certain argument with them. Him have to go try do him own a thing one side and see if him can grow up on them. You know, see, it's the input of Siaga again, with because of him input in the first place with Jim Brown, in the interest of the greater good, why the man them love Jim Brown, because him become Siaga agent and we know so Siaga the bigger than. You know, see, we maintain certain things and can get anything crushed. You know, see, so once him want it run the way, they have to buy a car, see. Cause at one point Jim Brown could even go deep in a garden too tough when certain man Zaki and certain man are run the thing. You see, Jim Brown a young youth him have to stay up so and stay up across the border. Him like me I say country youth to them flavor and the man them not to rate that. You know see it. You know see it. Cause we know I learn you look come here so come learn everything where you learn and we teach you everything where you know. You know see it. So, at the end of the day, the man, them look on it like so well then. You know see, but at the end, again, Siaga input, make the man them bail and allow him for the way he might do. You know see, so that's why when him dead, DUDUS feel the way he did because he's proper educated and know say more man dead as well with the same level of abilities and authority. You know see, anyway. Greater good and him come stepping out of the fold, getting proper education and was one of the most successful. You know see, and this are the reason why he was one of the most successful. Where you are going like you don't know. You know see, which leave me for ask the Uncle Scar question. You know see, because DUDUS come and DUDUS set a pattern. Regardless of how difficult it was. Remember at that time, I think Siaga was the opposition leader he was. Yeah. And Siaga give him a good, you know me I say, put out. Basically put out $2 million reward for him through the same father-friend argument. You know see, him did that I wanted little until him, you know see. But all through that time, yeah, me know you feel like say you was the next in line. You know see, because you claim you feel like you grow for that. You know see, which leave me for wonder, me ask anybody, them are the same mother? DUDUS and LIVETY are the same mother, I'm not too sure. You know see, but DUDUS now use film intelligence and mine the wealth and grandfather's heritage. DUDUS grandfather Charlie MATRASS, you know. Charlie MATRASS supposed to have the most picnic in Jamaica, not just West Kingston. You see it? Charlie MATRASS have a serious amount. Charlie MATRASS have way over 60 picnic in the little vicinity of West Kingston. That's from the downtown area, Tel Aviv, Wildman Street. We come right back around to below Tivoli Garden. You see, Dudus mother and one of them daughter them. You see, so right now, it even evident to if you never know, say, enough of them youth they want to kill and a fire shot pan and no family them and no cousin them and them little thing there. You see, Dudus did know them thing there and they mind that energy there. And that was the energy where keep your father stable to him breed that woman there. And our family so big. You see it, enough of the man them what you say, sure. You know, just ease back and know say I saw it go because at the end of the day, him under good tutelage. You see, the family where him amongst are responsible, respected people. So obviously, him have to go maintain the guideline. You see it. So them allow the countryman make him do what him do as well. You see, because in another power source him inner. Same way, you see it. So you have to observe them things and realize them things there. I'm say that. Listen. You see, when the man them go so boom and realize say Charlie MATRASS have a wide range of relation across the board. You see, the man mind that energy there. See? Like me say, it maintain your father for make him the way him there in the position where him did, you know, Dudus come back and mind it even madder and wickeder more. You see it? Your father now used to go up there some make the full might of garden used to go up what you call it Baka West. Go defend it whenever any little stupidness crack up there. Pan them. You see it? And the relationship that it maintain because him know say I'm picking them family and baby mother them family them the whole half this so the like me go investigate. Me no know what in a LIVETY head if him not teach TITTY man them thing have to make TITTY man know so boom and your little cousin them there and your bigger cousin them there or whatever. Or if them a for him LIVETY cousin too. You see it? You see it? But we know regardless of what go on, and a DUDUS strategy that and DUDUS never really enjoy or appreciate. I mean, know him not appreciate them thing there. You know, see it? And them little thing there, them little lesson there, the youth them go to lacking why things reach to the point where it reach where man feel like say them can't sit down and discuss the greater good and know so well then this not work and this would there for. You know, see it? Power sharing because at the end of the day where a man will do war for the seat, the throne, and then when DUDUS come, him tell him say, yo, me put out, you know, me put in my thing to, you know. I yourself you put in thing against. You know, see it a joke that. And that will be a joke in claims to any farmer, fame or position. You know, see it. You can't do that. You not disturb the pattern where set from foundation. You know see, and them thing they uphold and maintain the standard. And that's a politician will come kill you now because at the fabric I feel them power and you disturb that right now. Because it was always fragile to a degree, you know. It was always fragile, but somewhat the man they maintain it. Knowing so well then we are gonna be close. We always are just one road, Spanish Town Road, part the thing. You know see it? The man them gone too far, you know, I go against the grain. It come like a DUDUS thing on a fight against. You see? And even the thing where you know, father and grandfather did say, can't not violate that unbreakable, that band there unbreakable, it's not supposed to get touched. You see? This are not politics in a Rasta. This are ghetto youth and youth. And you can't, no, that not acceptable Rasta. Shame and disgrace that. You see it, I'm not a power struggle, a power hungry. Right now, you can't share power, man. Them man, they cross the road on the cousin, man, and you make them, how are they done? With the general there? Eh? Where one man want control and be when you claim, say you piss and mark your position now. Where you going to tell the real general? I saw power stay, you know, when the general come back one of them, so go hold him corner because I hear that thing that, you not fight for nothing. You not mash up something where the general already set and maintain enough for maintain it. The same man, them where they have certain position when the general was around. And them, you know, for reason with them same man, they maintain the thing. You see it? Right now, what I do? What? How you look on it? How I don't understand. What kind of logic so you get out of that? You see it? You see it? One man knew what I do. We not replace the general then. That means the general now in a space when him come back. And whoever win, I go be the general for down there. Because no man can't go look on no man and tell no man say, pull up or hear what me I say. Because a man I just don't say, I'm put in my work and I'm fight for my position for that one there, you know. You see it? You see it? Regardless of which one of the side, at them way the man I go pray. You see it? And me I tell you say, no, proficient and intelligent, like DUDUS. It would have show already, it would have start show already, man. A years now, the man get bite Rasta, and from the man get bite Rasta, it's like the whole West Kingston turn upside down. You see it? It would have show already, anyone only have the skill, man. Why fix something that is not broken? The man done set the pattern already, I'll not have to maintain it, man. And that me I telling you with some man where feel like said them have to prove wicked man leadership and I know nothing, you know, they not go nowhere. And they come like that to not prove every day. Who are the wickedest? I saw you that credibility for being the boss. While the man was set up, the man will not try the upstage. The man will not try upstage. None of them sort of wickedness and them sort of evil pre against nobody openly. For nobody say, I saw him reach where him there. You know, see it. I not deny the fact that DUDUS might step certain way, do certain things. I not deny the fact that it might even be wicked. But just I say it's not something where established and well propagated like so well then. You know, see it at that time claim to him fame and this is my use to maintain in position. You know, hear them big loud arguments like what I go on with man for position. You know, see it. When DUDUS position is being challenged and them thing there, you know, hear them thing there in the media. If it has ever been challenged. You know, see, the man don't set a pattern and a strategy, man. You know, live with that and work with that, man, and make the thing work, man. I hear that thing when I keep up Rasta. You know, see, and at them little thing why the man them feel like so well then, you know, wrong up. You know, see, because you know, see so well then, this is not a Jim Brown thing, Rasta. Charlie Mattress, I know, grandfather and great-grandfather and him breed off the whole. Look at what's the ramification of that, Rasta? Now, what are the likelihood, yeah, say, at some point in the past or in the future, when you go now and go turn upon a close blood relative, eh? No power, not go on like so well then is a continent. We not fight for leadership of. You know see? Yo, that them thing are not necessary and it's not acceptable, man. You know see? You know make DUDUS feel away. Me not tell you lie, me know the man must feel away because me know the communication between you and him and supposed to lax, limited, if existence any at all. You know see? You know see? I don't no need for talk to the man for know the man pattern and the man strategy. The man is one of the longest done in a recent time we ever run Tivoli Garden. You know the man's skills and strategy. LIVETY, you know it good and you come like a Goya go against it purposely Rasta. I saw it look. I not say I saw it go. I just call it like how I see it. You know see it? And if that are the case, shame on your Rasta. Shame on your man. The man are done to done, the man are dead already and the pattern still there. Make it remain and make it exist. Be civil. You know see it and make everybody abide and just know say, yeah, the man so come. You know see it? Yes, I. Share, like, and subscribe. I hope the message reach you, know, because, you know see it, I saw the thing go. Yes, I. Bless.